Hello, this is Michael White. I'll be reading the review and assessment for Chapter 2, 6th grade science here. Lesson 1, Measurement in Science. The metric system is a measurement system based on the number A, 1, B, 10, C, 100, D, 1000. 2. Review. The basic SI unit of time is blank. 3. Calculate. If your calculator is 5 centimeters wide, what is its width in millimeters? 4. Compare and contrast. How do you find the volume of a regular solid? An irregular solid? Lesson 2. Math and Science. An estimate is A. Guess, B. Observation, C. Precise number, D. Approximation. 6. Blank do not fit with the rest of a data set. 7. Interpret data. Suppose you have a row of tiles that is 26.7 centimeters long. How many significant figures are in this measurement? Which digit is estimated? 8. Math. Find the mean, median, mode, and range for this data. 24, 16, 11, 10, 16, 4, 17. Lesson 3. Graphs. The factor that scientists change is called A. Manipulated variable, B. Prediction, C. Responding variable, or D. Trend. 10. Blank data are information that can be grouped together into categories. 11. You want to include a graph showing the different species of animals on display at a local zoo. What is the most appropriate type of graph to use? Use the graph to answer questions 12 and 13. 12. Interpret graphs. The graph shows how many pages Sarah read over time. Describe the relationship that the data have. 13. Predict. How many pages do you expect Sarah to have read after 10 minutes? Explain. Lesson 4. Using models. 14. A representation of a simple or complex object or process is A. Theory, B. System, C. Model, D. Output. 15. A blank is a group of parts that work together to perform a function or produce a result. 16. Explain. You are a scientist studying the energy given off by a distant star. Why might you use a computer model to study the star? 17. Make generalizations. Why would a complex model make a more accurate prediction about a system than a basic model? 18. Suppose you are studying the energy use in your school. What math tools might you use to help collect data? Design a model to show that some areas of the building use more energy than others. Virginia SOL Test Prep. Number 1. What is this tool used to measure? Is it A. Weight, B. Length, C. Volume, or D. Mass? 2. A flower measures 14.39 centimeters. How many significant figures are in this measurement? F2, G3, H4, or J5? 3. The data points on a linear graph form A. A straight line, B. A curve, C. A jagged line, or D. No line. Number 4. Find the range for this set of data: 22, 36, 7, 19, and 56. Number 5. Which tool would you use to measure the mass of a cellular phone? Would this be A. A metric ruler, B. A scale, C. A balance, or D. A graduated cylinder? Number 6. Predict what the ant population will be at 6 days. Will it be F0, G80, H110, or J150?